You need to hear this if you're a teeth grinder. Your brain could be behind it all. Bruxism, also known as teeth grinding, often happens while you're snoozing. But guess what? It's not just about stress. Your brain plays a big role too. When you're asleep, certain parts of your brain stay active, like the areas that manage movement and stress. If these areas get out of sync, it can cause you to grind your teeth. This can lead to headaches, jaw pain, and even damaged teeth. So next time you catch yourself grinding, remember, your brain might need some TLC too. Simple changes like managing stress, getting better sleep, and wearing a mouthguard can help.